Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, let me introduce myself again. Hello, my name is Salman Abarisi Amar Darman Sukirno. Just call me Salman. Today I want to demonstrate about game adapt or sleeping manners. I will explain this game. I will play. Okay. From now we will continue. When green flag clicks, start sound tada and go to X 0 by 0 and he will show set size to 0. Okay, and repeat 11, he will change size by 10 and wait 1 second. After wait 1 second, he will repeat 11, change size by min 10 and broadcast start, right? Oke, sorry bahasa. Jadi kayak ini apa, when green flag click, dia bakal menyetel suara tada, pergi ke tengah-tengah, nolnya 0, tunjukkan jadinya, atur size 0, ulangi 11 kali, ubah size sebesar 10, tunggu 1 detik. Jadi terus ulangi 11 kali, ganti size yang 10 dan siarkan ini mulai height, jadi kayak seperti ini. Dia bakal nah repeat 11 kali. Jadi dia bakal size-nya itu berubah 10 kali, berubah 11 kali dengan size 10. Jadi dan dia bakal mengulangi 11 kali mengurang size-nya 10. This is minus. Okay, and play. This is play. When I receive start, he will hide. Yeah, receive start, he will hide and set size to 0, and he will show. Show, he will go to front layer X and repeat 87. Repeat 7 times and change size by 5. Forever, if touching mouse pointer, then set size to 40, else set size to 35. Okay, but when this right click, he will set size to 30 and start sound drum bass like this. Agree? Now like that. Okay, and he will broadcast play. Right, set light to 0, and when click, he will hide. Okay, just like this. Nah, when I click play, he will just like that. Okay, and from background, like when I after like this. When click, he will hide. When I receive Bilal, he will hide too. When I receive Nadia, he will hide too. When I receive like, but when I receive start, he will hide. But go to first go to X. After hide, he will go to X 17 and Y min 10. He will show himself and he will set size to 0. Repeat 11 times. He will repeat 11 times about change size by 10. That's see. Nah, but it's so like that. Okay. Wait. Okay. Oh, just okay. And next is this. Nah, the name is the sprite pilih karaktermu. But this sprite when I receive play, he will show. Yeah, when I receive play, he will show. Like when I start to in the sprite play, when I click that when I click this sprite, he will broadcast play. And when I receive play, he will show. Okay, and when green flag he will hide. When I receive Nadia hide. Oh, just two. Okay, when I receive Bilal, he will hide too. Okay, and next to the char Bilal, when I receive play, he will hide. Go to X min 138 and Y min 20. And he will and his position in here min 38 and min 20 he will show set size to 0. Yeah, he from 0 and he will repeat 10 times to change size by 5 and go to front layer forever. If touching mouse printer, then set size to 50, set size to 45, just like this. He will repeat 0. And yeah, if I touching him, he will change size only different 5 and Nadia too, because just like that. Okay, when this sprite click, he will start sound high boost like this. And when I receive start, he will hide. But when Tar Bilal was click, he will broadcast Bilal and hide. When I receive Bilal hide, when I receive Nadia hide. Okay, next to the Char Nadia. This is same like before. That Char Bilal and Char Nadia just different. Just different a little ya guys ya. The codes I think it's same, but yeah, I think it's same. It's the same. This is look the same. Yeah. And next we are going to the Bilal. Okay, Bilal. That is okay. Bilal is the costume. Yeah, costume like he membaca bangun tidur and there are many costume from 1 until 10. When I receive Bilal, he will hide and go to X 0, Y 0, show, and he will switch costume to 1. Switch costume to 1. He will go to the first costume and switch costume to the slide. Okay, but if slide somewhere 11, he will set slide to 0 to 1, and when green flag take, he will hide. When I receive play, he will hide too. When I receive start hide. When I receive Bilal, that is same. Oh, this is 2. Okay, next to the Nadia. Wait, this is so look. Oh, just 2 game. Okay, when green flag click, he will hide. When I receive start, he will hide too. When I receive play, he will hide. Okay, when I receive Nadia, display kan the name is Nadia. When I receive Nadia, he will hide first and go to x 0 and y 0. That is in the middle, yeah, not our center. He will show and switch custom to 0 first. 1 first. This he will switch custom to this verse and forever. So it's custom slide. If slide is 11, then he will set slide to 0 forever, yeah. And we will and we next to the button left, yeah. This button left. This button left. When I receive start, he will hide. When I receive play, he will hide. And when click, he will hide too. Okay, when this left button, when this sprite was clicked, he will change slide, but by means one, and he will set size to 20 and start sound like whoosh. When I receive Bilal, he same set size to 0, go to x min 170, y min 105. He will show and he will go to front layer, but five repeat 5 times, change size by 3 forever if touching mouse printer. He will set brightness like this. Brightness, can you see just more white, and set size to 20, he more bigger, but because his size only 15, but if touching mouse printer, he will change 20. Okay, like this. This is same with Nadia. Okay, we next to the uh, up button. Okay, when click hide, when I receive play, when I receive play hide, when I receive start hide, when just right click. But this is different. When this right click, he will broadcast start. Broadcast start. He will go to the home and set size to 20 and start sound like was like this. If I touch, if I click, he will like this. He will go to back to the home and the same the codingan when I receive Bilal, but this is in go to x 0, jadi in the middle, this spread in the middle because the x is 0, and when I receive Nadia it's same. The two codes is same, and the last one is right button. When I receive fly, he will hide. When green flag click, he will hide. When I receive start, he will hide. When this right click, he will change slide by 1 and set size to 20, start some hack whoosh. But when I receive Bilal, set size to 0, go to x 170. 170x in there, ya, in this 170x and y in 105. He will show himself and go to one layer. Okay, I think you know, ya, this. Okay, let me play. I start play. You can choose whatever you want in Nadia. Baca doa bangun tidur. Right button. He will next. But if you click left button, he will go to before, like this. But if you touch in that middle up button or yeah, he will go back home like this. Okay, I think that's enough. I think Okay, that's all from me. Sorry if that many mistake. Oke, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.